So this is yet another resource. I'm a little concerned that I don't have a finished product on, so I'm going to go ahead and capture it as my bonus resource, number 6. iCivics is a great place to find information for anything social sciences related. You can sign up for a free account. It's not a big deal. I click on My Civics. Here's my stuff. I obviously haven't used this with a class yet because I don't have a class in here. Play takes you to the different games that you can play, which are amazing. They're very interactive and interesting. People's Pie, like, whoa. People's Pie makes you really think about, like, federal government spending for real. Like, I played with it. Whoa! That's pretty loud. Okay. I played with it for a little bit, and it made me really think. You kind of set some things up here, and it's time to set your taxes and entitlement policies for the first year. So you set these things, and you're considering the entitlements, you're considering the age for retirement, you're considering people's happiness and their satisfaction, and you're considering the overall budget. And then from there, you decide policy after this is all set. Amazing game. If you go to teach, no, if you go to teach, so you can look at by content, or there's this really awesome thing here called standard search. So I could say like, hey, I'm in Kansas, and I could choose a specific government, a specific course, and then I could choose a specific grade. And it's going to give me all of these things aligned with specific standards, which I think is very helpful for all of us that are just sometimes struggling to find something related to very specific standards. And it tells you what, there's a game and a lesson plan. Sometimes there's a web quest. Sometimes there's other stuff linked. I really like this just because it is amazing. I will tell you though, it is Flash-based. That's why I chose it as my bonus resource. So Flash-based stuff it just never works on an iPad. So, and I was told that it has to be universally able to be browser-based on any device. I do think this is a very helpful resource for everybody that doesn't have iPads though. All right. Thank you.